Today we doing beef tips, rice and gravy. So we got about 3 pounds of stew meat. We got one medium yellow onion, one bell pepper, 3 cloves of garlic. We got granulated garlic, salt, and pepper is what we're gonna be seasoning the meat with. We got favorite Cajun Creole season, and we got some Lowry seasoning salt. So that's gonna be for the gravy. So this is gonna season this. Okay, we have our beef stock. We got a rice, of course. We have better than bouillon beef season, and that's gonna be all you need. So we're gonna get over here and we'll get this meat washed. We're gonna get this seared. Let's go. Alright, so we're back. We're gonna get seasoning. We use our salt. I use kosher salt. Use our garlic. And then our pepper. We're gonna get that moving around. Get it all coated. So now we at the stove. We got our meat seasoned up with the salt, pepper, and garlic. We're gonna get a sear on this. Let's go. While that's searing, we're gonna get back over here. While that's searing, we're gonna get back over here and get these veggies cut up. Let's go. So now we're gonna get chopping on these veggies. So let's do that. We got our veggies cut up. Now let's get over here to this pot and crank this pot up. Get this sear on the meat. Let's go. So now we're back at the stove. We're gonna get a sear going on this meat. You might have a little juice that comes up, but as long as you're gonna keep it on high and keep it going, the juice is gonna evaporate. Other than that, just let it keep searing. So I'm gonna get some color on there. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna get our onions and our vegetables in there. Get those down. Keep going. Let's go. So now we got our color on our meat like we want them. We're gonna take it out, remove it from the pot, from the juices. Because we don't want it to cook, we just want it to get color on it. You know what I'm saying? And don't worry about the piece with the fat on it, because we're gonna let this cook a couple hours, so it's gonna render all that fat down real nice. You know what I'm saying? So y'all excuse the girls in the background. So we're gonna get this out, and we're gonna get these vegetables going. Let's go. So now we get our onions in. Get those moving around. Onions cooking down. So we got our onions about like we want them. We're gonna go ahead and put our bell pepper in. Keep moving around. Basically stir and pour, stir and pour. That's all you're doing. So I'm gonna let that cook down for another 5-10 minutes. We're gonna introduce our garlic and we're gonna put our meats back in. Let's go. So we back. Then we're gonna add our garlic. Keep it moving. Stir and pour, stir and pour. So We're gonna go another 2.5 minutes just to get the garlic time to release its juices, you know. So in 2 minutes, we're gonna start to add our meat back. I'm gonna go ahead and lower to like a medium heat now, because we don't want that garlic to burn. You can see that sauce, it's already starting to thicken up. That meat actually makes its own gravy, you know. And once the juices from all the vegetables start to release their juices, that's when, you know, you'll get what you see here, which is pretty amazing, you know what I'm saying? So, I see gravy already, you know what I'm saying? But once you pour the beef stock in here, which I'm getting ahead of myself, but that's gonna clean that out real quick because you gotta cook it for a long time. But we're gonna let that simmer for another 2 minutes and we're gonna take it out. And so we're back. We're gonna start adding our meat back into the gravy. You don't have to be perfect, just throw it back in there. You know what I'm saying? It's better to do it with a spoon like this. Keep it from getting all that splash back on you. That gravy is hot. You know what I'm saying? So there you go. Thank you kindly. And see that? Let's pull it right back in there. That's flavor. Alright. So at this time, so now we back. We're gonna add 32 ounces of beef stock. Ounces of beef stock. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Better Than Bouillon roasted beef base. Moving around. Now we got a tablespoon of salt. Pepper. Granulated garlic. Gotcha. Layer seasoning salt. And we got your favorite Cajun Creole seasoning. Get all that mixed together. Raise your fire. Get it back to a boil. Let's get boiling. Alright, we back. We got our pot to a boil. I'm gonna get one more stir. Give it one more stir. We're gonna cover. We're gonna lower to the simmering heat for 2 hours. So we back for our first stir. We stir every 15 minutes. Alright, we got about 35 minutes left. I put the rice on. We're gonna stir. We're gonna get us a piece out of here. It should be about tender though. Once y'all know that. Look at it. Oh yeah. That's tender. So, I'm gonna get our cornstarch slurry going. So, taking our gravy. See how it is. I'm gonna get our cornstarch slurry going. Get them biscuits in the oven too. You don't need that much water with your cornstarch slurry. Use cold water. Get that moving around. We got our rice on the stove trying to come to a boil. We on the downside of this cook, y'all. And what this gonna do is thicken up our gravy. Y'all that been watching, y'all know what this is. So we're gonna get ready to put this in the pot. We got like 29 minutes left. So we're gonna move back over into this pot. Let's go. So now we're gonna get our cornstarch slurry in here and thicken up this gravy. Pour and stir. Pour and stir. Look at that. Y'all see that? Perfect. Now, at the same time, our rice can come to a boil. So we're gonna cover it up and we're gonna kill that fire. And for the last 27 minutes, that's gonna sit there and come up to doneness. So we got our gravy thick. We're gonna cover this. And we're gonna lower all the way down to simmer. We're gonna keep checking this gravy because we got the gravy in there now. Every 5 minutes, make sure it's not sticking. Let's keep rolling. We're almost there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check our gravy and see if it need any salt, pepper, anything. So here we go. Perfect. You don't need nothing. Perfect gravy, man. So, we get this a stir. Still got 20 minutes left. The rice coming along good. Now this pot, man, it's a clear pot back here. That pot was a gift, a birthday gift from a good friend of ours, a friend of the family. I wanted that pot, but I couldn't afford that pot. That pot, I don't know, that one probably about 40, 50 bucks, I guess. But the one I actually wanted was like 60, 70, almost 80 bucks. So shout out to Kat for the pot. I'm cooking my rice in today and hopefully it turns out good. I had to find something to use it for other than that. Because thank you, Kat. Thanks for the pot. And there we is, y'all. There we is. Got our rice. Perfectly cooked in our new pot. Got our biscuits. It's time to plate up. So, it's the finished product, man. Y'all take a look at this. Y'all take a look at that. Got the honey butter biscuits going. Yeah. So, man, look. This right here is a simple recipe. Y'all seen it. It takes no time. The longest time about the whole thing is the 2-hour cook time on the meat. But get up early in the morning, start this process, do what you gotta do. 2 hours later, lunchtime, you're ready to sit down at the table with your family and eat. Or you can start it at lunchtime. By the time your loved ones get home from school and work in the evening time, you got dinner done already. You know what I'm saying? But enough talking, let's eat. Let's see what we got here. Got a little bit of rice, meat. That's hot. Perfect. I'm telling you, the meat's so tender. I'm talking about rice cooked perfect, as always. Gravy is spot on. Let's see what these biscuits. Y'all know these honey butter biscuits are my favorite. Dip that in a little gravy. That's it right there. All right. Yeah, I'm telling you. This right here. I'm gonna slap somebody. But look, thank y'all for tuning in to another episode. Tune in to another episode of Southern Comfort Cooking. Y'all tell a friend to tell a friend, man. There's this man out here. There's this channel out here. Simplifying these recipes, making them easy for everybody to use. So, I'm your host, Mr. 625. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time on Southern Comfort Cooking. And I'm back out. Let's eat.